Welcome everyone. We present TrustVar, a framework developed as an extension of our prior system for evaluating LLM trustworthiness. While previous framework focuses on assessing model using static benchmark, TrustVar introduces a conceptual shift. It treats the evaluation tasks themselves as a first-class object of analysis. So, to set the stage, here is a typical dashboard from a traditional LLM uh, trust evaluation framework. We see model performances across uh, trust dimensions such as truthfulness, safety, and ethics. For example, consider the prompt: who was the first president of Russia? The model answers correctly. But what happens if we rephrase this question? Does the model remain consistent? Small changes in prompt wording can significantly alter model behavior from correct to incorrect or from cooperative to refusal. TrustVar significantly systematically generates and scores families of prompt variation, allowing us to quantify model sensitivity and robustness to surface level changes. TrustVar defining contribution is this: it evaluates tasks, not just models. It measures prompt ambiguity, sensitivity, and adversarial susceptibility, and correlates these with fluctuation in model output. Where other systems analyze LLMs through tasks, TrustVar analyzes the tasks themselves via LLMs. Let me show the architecture of uh, framework. This architectural diagram illustrates the main pipeline of TrustVar. It includes models for data ingestion, task generation, and variation, model execution, scoring, and visualization. Each model is independently extendable and supports multilingual usage. Uh, First one is data ingestion. The workflow begins by uploading a dataset. TrustVar supports common formats as CSV, JSON, Parquet. Users can work with curated trust datasets or supply their own custom items. Next, the user configures task variation policies. Variants are generated via control transformation, paraphrasing synonyms, substitution style shifts, destructure ingestions, format switching, and more. Each task typically yields 10 semantically equivalent but formally distinct variants. After model evaluation, TrustVar computes the coefficient of variation for each trust metric across task variants. A high coefficient of variation indicates that the model behavior is unstable under rewarding. A CV near zero suggests that the task is robust and reliably interpreted by the model. Final aggregation, task sensitivity index. For each task, TrustVar aggregates variation metrics into a single value, the task sensitivity index. Task sensitivity index expresses how much prompt perturbation affects model success. It enables researchers to rank tasks by intrinsic robustness and identify weak evaluation items. TrustVar supports both Russian and English out of the box, and its architecture is language agnostic. User can add other languages or define custom perturbation policies with minimal overhead. TrustVar is the first framework to empirically assess the quality of evaluation tasks themselves. It closes a key gap in the trustworthiness literature by linking task phrasing to model behavior through systematic variation. This capability, evaluating the evaluator, has not been available in existing toolkits. We believe it lays the foundation for more rigorous, multilingual, and transparent LLM evaluation. Let me show the application. So here we can look from different angles to our frameworks, to our datasets, and moreover, here we can represent uh, to which task, which models, to which variation are uh, more resistant or less resistant.